And now for our currency of the week, euro dollar. So let's just do a comparison between the US and Europe. We just talked about Trump. So the United States is a mess. Republicans are in infighting about the healthcare bill. They had issues with the first attempt. The second one is moving slowly. Tax reform looks a bit far. And they stopped talking about infrastructure. Trump's Russia stories, well, it's an incessant flow of news. Fear about obstruction of justice by the president and his team. And there's a special investigation going on by a senior investigator, former head of the FBI, Robert Mueller. Okay, so that is quite messy. If we compare things to the Eurozone, which was a big mess until not that long ago, we had pro-European Emmanuel Macron elected as the president of the French Republic. Angela Merkel, the long-leading German chancellor, already 12 years in office, she's leading in the polls to win a fourth term. And her challenger from the socialists in Germany, he's also very pro-European. So it looks like the establishment is winning in Europe. And since Trump's victory, the far right is in retreat, underperforming polls. That's Austria, that's the Netherlands, and of course, France. In the economy, the US growth is only 0.7% annualized, and that means, and Eurozone growth is 2% annualized, 0.5 quarter over quarter. Core inflation is slipping in the United States, 1.9, and in the Eurozone, it's at 1.2, on the rise, the highest in 4 years. Unemployment in the Eurozone is still double that than in the United States. In the United States, it's 4.4. Here, it's a bit more than double, 9.5, if I'm not mistaken. Monetary policy. So there are some cracks in the Fed's eagerness to hike rates in June because, well, the economy is slowing. And the ECB, on the other hand, is under pressure to begin the end of QE. Sometime, well, taper down in 2018, at the beginning of 2018, and then stop it altogether. All in all, the US economy, in general, monetary policy, they're still in the lead. But the current direction of travel is towards a slightly looser policy in the United States and slightly tighter in the Eurozone. So for me, the conclusion is that Eurodollar has all the reasons to rise, okay? Politics, the economy, monetary policy. But as we've seen in the past, 24 hours or so, Forex trading is never a one-way street, and we could see a correction before the next big move. The rally could halt. Okay. So let's look at the chart to conclude this quick segment about Eurodollar. Again, we had this bottoming out at 103.40 early in the year, an uptrend channel since then, higher lows and eventually higher highs, continued trading higher until we made a break to the upside. So breaking above an uptrend channel that shows a lot of strength, a lot of momentum, reached a peak of 112.63, and that's the immediate line of resistance. It's followed by 113, 113.60, and 114.20. These were high lines last autumn. Support 111.70, which was the recent low, 111.20, and 110.50. Below that, we have 109.50, 108.70, 108.25, and below this gap, 107.75. Okay, so these are kind of levels for the euro. We had a very nice breakout. Now we're seeing consolidation, correction. My bias is to the upside, remains to the upside. Okay. So